When you hear push-ups, what benefits pop into your mind? Have you ever wondered what committing to 100 push-ups daily could actually do for your body? You're looking at a stronger core and better posture, and that's just the start. The best part? Push-ups come with a range of other surprising benefits, too. Stick around, because we're diving into all the positive changes you can expect. Push-ups are a classic move in strength training, designed to boost your muscular endurance and overall power. Push-ups are highly effective for building strength in the arms and chest, primarily targeting the triceps, biceps, pectoral muscles, and shoulders. Additionally, when performed correctly, push-ups also engage the core and lower back, strengthening the abdominal muscles. Before we move on, a simple like can go a long way. Number 1, your posture gets better. Poor posture may not seem like a big deal, but over time it can negatively affect your health and comfort. One of the main causes of poor posture is a weak core. Your core plays a crucial role in keeping your shoulders and back upright. Doing push-ups with proper form helps build strength and stability in these muscles. With regular practice, like committing to 100 push-ups each day, you'll notice your body naturally shifting toward better, healthier posture over time. Number 2, your core becomes stronger. Push-ups activate the rectus abdominis, the muscle layer that forms the well-known six-pack abs. Beyond aesthetics, push-ups significantly enhance core stability by engaging the transverse abdominis. This deep abdominal muscle is essential for balance, spinal support, and posture. When these muscles are weak, it can cause poor balance, lower back pain, and unsteady movement. To get the most out of your push-ups, focus on keeping your core muscles activated during each rep. Number 3, your upper body gains strength. Each time your arms push your body upwards, a sequence of muscles is activated along with the biceps and triceps. Push-ups primarily target your chest and shoulders. By doing 100 push-ups each day, you'll build strength in these areas, making everyday tasks, like carrying groceries, feel much easier. Besides increasing upper body strength, push-ups also contribute to greater muscle definition. Let's see how. Number 4. Your muscle definition improves overall. During a push-up, several primary and stabilizing muscles are activated at once. The greater the number of muscles engaged during an exercise, the more human growth hormone your body releases. Unfortunately, as we get older, the natural production of this hormone decreases, which can make building muscle more challenging. Push-ups stimulate human growth hormone production, leading to muscle growth and improved definition. Number 5, you burn more calories. Push-ups are commonly included in weight loss routines for a reason. For those aiming to lose weight, burning calories is key. Since push-ups activate multiple muscle groups simultaneously, they require significant energy expenditure, promoting efficient calorie burning. Following this logic, the more push-ups you perform, the more calories you burn. Number 6, push-ups reduce the risk of falling. The pushing motion of a push-up mimics the body's instinctive response to breaking a fall. By consistently performing push-ups, you develop greater strength to push back from walls, floors, or other surfaces. This added strength can significantly reduce the risk of injuries, particularly for older adults. Preventing falls starts with better balance. Let's explore how push-ups contribute to that. Number 7, your balance and flexibility improve. One of the key benefits of daily push-ups is improved balance. As you build control over your movements, your overall stability enhances. Push-ups also promote flexibility. Lowering your body stretches the back muscles while pushing up extends the biceps. These movements contribute to better overall mobility and flexibility. Number 8, your joints receive better support. Consistently performing push-ups helps reinforce the muscles surrounding your shoulder joints. Stronger supporting muscles keep the upper arm bone stable within the shoulder socket, which lowers the chances of injury. However, moderation is important. You don't have to push yourself to exhaustion. Start gradually and work your way up to 100 push-ups or more. Number 9, your bones will become stronger. Push-ups are a weight-bearing exercise, which means they help strengthen your bones. When you place stress on your bones through resistance training, they respond by becoming denser and more resilient. This reduces the risk of osteoporosis and bone fractures as you age, making push-ups an excellent long-term investment in your skeletal health. Number 10, your cardiovascular health improves. While doing push-ups, several major muscle groups coordinate to move your body up and down. This effort elevates your heart rate, helping to strengthen your cardiovascular system. Over time, your heart becomes more efficient at circulating oxygen-rich blood throughout your body. Additionally, push-ups help expand capillaries, ensuring better circulation to organs and tissues. They also contribute to lowering cholesterol and blood pressure, reducing the risk of heart disease. Although push-ups offer many advantages, they also come with potential drawbacks such as injuries, back pain, and workout plateaus. Potential risks of daily push-ups. Number 1, risk of injury. Performing 100 push-ups a day isn't just about reaching the number, it's about executing them correctly. Poor form or excessive strain can lead to injuries, particularly in the shoulders, a condition known as shoulder impingement. Number 2, possible back pain. Lower back pain is another issue that can arise from daily push-ups. Overarching the back or having weak core muscles can contribute to discomfort. Incorrect technique, especially in advanced push-up variations, can also strain the back. Beginners should be mindful and seek guidance if needed before adding push-ups to their routine. Number 3, hitting a workout plateau. Repeating the same exercise daily can cause progress to slow down. For muscles to grow, they require progressive overload. If your body gets used to the same movement, results may stagnate. To avoid this, incorporate different push-up variations into your routine. Have you ever tried wide or narrow push-ups? What about knuckle or clapping push-ups? Keep watching to discover which muscles each variation targets. First, wide push-up. This variation involves placing your hands twice as wide as a standard push-up, focusing on the shoulders, upper arms, and chest. Second, narrow push-up. For this variation, position your hands directly beneath your breastbone, forming a diamond shape with your thumbs and 4 fingers. This movement primarily strengthens the triceps and chest. Third, knuckle push-up. Instead of resting your palms on the floor, perform push-ups on your knuckles. This enhances wrist and forearm strength while maintaining the benefits of traditional push-ups. Fourth, clapping push-up. To execute this variation, push your body off the ground with enough force to clap before landing back into position. This exercise develops explosive upper body strength and fast twitch muscle fibers. Which push-up variation have you tried? We'd love to hear about your experience. Drop a comment below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more fitness tips. And be sure to watch the recommended video next to keep pushing toward your goals.